Hi guys, welcome to CodeEazier. Today our problem statement is find the maximum and minimum element. In the previous video, I explained the detailed code how to find maximum and minimum number. But here we are using Java inbuilt functions and simple tricks to find the maximum and minimum elements. Here the first trick is we need to sort the array. After this sorting, the first element will be the minimum element and the last element will be the maximum element. For example, here we have the array 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 contains with these values. After sorting this array, it will look like this in ascending order. In this array, the minimum element is 1. So, array of 0, which is nothing but first index element, 0th index element. So, minimum element is 1 and last element is the maximum element. So we are assigning last index element to the max variable. So max equal to 5. That's all guys. This is very simple code, and using a simple inbuilt function Arrays.sort we can easily find the maximum and the minimum element. There is one more trick. We can use the Collections.max and minimum method. In this code, first of all, we declared an array and then we created an array list. After each element of the array were being assigned to list in an for each loop. After assigning all elements of array to list, then here we are passing the list to Collections.max. Here collections is nothing but a class and max is nothing but a method. So we are passing this ls, which is nothing but list, to max method, and it will find the maximum element in the list, which is nothing but here the maximum element is 5. So max is 5. Collections.min means it will returns the minimum element. So min equal to 1. Then after we just print the max values and min values. That's all guys. These are the two simple tricks to execute or to perform the task of finding maximum and minimum elements in an array. Dive into the code implementation or code execution. Here I clearly mentioned the code. So here I am just compiling the code. This code is a similar code what I shown in previous minutes. So I am just compiling this code. Javac built-in .java. Next I am run this class file java.builtin or something. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, max is 5, min is 1. Next using this sort method. Java C. We are compiling this sort method code. Oh, it thrown an error. Oh, why means package was not founded. So java dot util dot star. I am recompiling this code. Oh, sorry, we need to write import. I forgot it. Okay, compiled successfully, and we need to run the class file. Yes, max is 5, min is, I think this code is work perfectly. Okay, thank you guys for being watching this video. I think you understood my video. If you like my video means please like my video and do subscribe.